the final look. Let me just go ahead and count because I know y'all are gonna ask me. 1, 2, 3. I have 20 braids total in my hair. I don't think I'm gonna get the chance because I just don't have the time. I wanted to go back and separate this one. I was gonna redo these two up here and probably make these 3 to match this on the side, but I think I'm just gonna have to leave it. So I am having surgery tomorrow, and so I was gonna keep my crochet hair in, but I just kind of got the feeling that that was gonna drive me nuts, and it started to itch as well. So I just went on ahead and took it out. I washed my hair, did all that kind of stuff, and I put these braids in. This hair, I did not dip the ends. This is how the ends look. They're not the most perfect, but I don't really care. This is a really good vacation style too. Spring break is coming up. You do not have to spend all of that money to go get your hair done, ladies. Do it at home yourself. Anybody can do this way. If you can 2-strand twist, if you can French braid, if you can do anything, then you can do this method for any of those styles. This was like the most genius thing that I remember someone telling me to try and do when I did a style very similar to this last year. So I went on ahead and tried it, and it just took me no time. Everything is nice and clean. It's not perfect. I'm okay with that not being, you know, my parts being whatever they are. So as far as the hair and how it feels, it is a little bit more of a rougher texture. I don't even want to say suggest, because I actually like this hair and doing it the way that I did it, because I didn't have to worry about the ends coming unraveled. I don't have to worry about hot water dipping and curling. I wanted to do that, but like I said, I don't have time to do it. And so I'm just like cool with this. I've gotten so many compliments. I've only had this style in for like less than 24 hours. And I've been kind of just running errands and I just been everywhere, and I've gotten a lot of compliments on my hair so far. So I'm like, okay, I guess it does look pretty decent. And I would say you could do it with this hair, and you can also do it with like regular straight Kanekalon hair that you get from the beauty supply store. Either one will work. That look will probably give you a little bit more of a sleeker outcome versus something like this, but I don't mind either way. So the great thing about this style, you guys, is that no matter what I do, no matter how I turn, you know, pull my hair up, which I don't plan on pulling it up, but I don't have to worry about my braid slipping. And that was the thing for me when it came to doing like box braids or any kind of braids, simply because I'm not the best at doing like small box braids, because I can't grip it as tight as I need to in order to look as clean as I want it to, if that makes sense. So yeah, you guys, this is a style anyone can do, whether you're going on vacation with your family, if it's just a girls trip, if you just want to do something, you want to save your couple $100s to get your braids done, just do it at home yourself. It's okay. You'll be fine. Use that money towards your vacation for another excursion, or, you know, or more drinks or something like that. Upgrade your hotel room. Don't use it on your hair. So I can imagine this is going to be a very water-friendly style. So if you have plans to get in the water and like really just enjoy yourself on your spring break, your vacation, you just don't want to worry about your hair, this is going to be a really great style for you, because it's going to stay intact and it's not going to come out. Not going to get any loose braids or anything like that. Plus, if you do, just, you know, lay down your baby hair and go about your business. So anyways, you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down below and I will answer them for you. But I think that's about it. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.